For your customers, scheduling an appointment could not be easier. From your website, you can link customers directly to your custom Zippity booking flow. The Zippity booking system is designed to capture all necessary information up front so that you, as a business, do not have to spend any time chasing your customers down for follow-up information. The first thing the system does is get to know where your customers are. Using Zippity's Quick Fill feature, your customers can quickly fly through this step and have an option to give this address a nickname for easy future use. This section asks customers a few simple questions up front and allows them to leave address notes, which gives your team a better understanding of what they should expect when they get there on site. Getting your customers' vehicle information up front tailors the service section to show make-specific services and prices. Your customers have 3 easy ways to enter their vehicle information. By inputting their license plate or VIN, the system will automatically pull accurate database information for that specific vehicle. But if your customer does not have that information handy, there will be an option to enter year, make, and model manually and continue on to the service selection page. Our service selection page allows customers to quickly and easily select the services that they are looking for. As a Zippity platform user, you can customize how your customers interact with this page, customizing the service names and descriptions, changing the font emphasis, adding graphics and submenus. All these features will help advertise the services you want to help your customers see all the mobile services that you have to offer. Picking a date that works for both you and your customers is critical. Instead of telling your customers that you will get back to them with options, customers can immediately schedule on an available day. The availability that is shown to your customers is based on where they live, what services they selected, and how long their appointment would take. Only showing customers the days that are available removes the need for endless back and forth or constant calendar adjustments, leaving you more time to enjoy your work. Customers also have the opportunity to select their own preferred time window, which gets automatically relayed to your field team. As a business, you can customize your start and end times as well as how wide or narrow you want this window to be. Grabbing where your field technician will be able to find the customer's keys during the day of service saves you from having to reach out or wait for a response. Any other notes, concerns, or questions that a customer has can be left here for your field technician to read and reply to directly within the Zippity Technician mobile app. The final schedule page summarizes all information the customer would need to know about their appointment, from where and when the appointment is taking place to what services they booked and how much each is going to cost. The prices estimate taxes and fees and are shown to the customer to promote transparency and peace of mind. Once an appointment has been created, customers will receive a confirmation email and have access to My Garage. My Garage gives them the ability to add new vehicles and addresses, self-manage their current appointment, update payment methods, and schedule new appointments. Throughout the appointment booking process, customers seamlessly interact with your brand, your services, and your availability, while giving you all the critical information you need for successful mobile services in the modern world.